So as promised, I'm gonna capture whatever I can. It's gonna be a lot of effort, very unlike me talking and making videos rather than just enjoying the trip. So I'm gonna capture as much as possible. So I just left home and I'm going to Taliparamba. It's a few kilometers away. I'm going there because I've been having some issues with Royal Enfield. So after I decided on this, I bought it from a dealer. So I thought, okay, these guys are going to be like, talking about touring trips, and it's like, probably it's my fault. I've romanticized buying a bike in India. If it is from Royal Enfield, it's going to be, much more than just buying a bike. The whole touring culture and everything else, which I thought I could be part of. None of that happened. It was quite disappointing, to be honest. Very transactional, like, here's your bike, ta-da. That was one dealer. Probably it's the dealership. And no real talk about what accessories you can get, what is good for touring, and what kind of precautions I should take. This bike has its flaws. Okay, there are so many electrical issues. I just replaced the switch on the right because the hazard light wasn't working on the second day, and while doing so, our service center, they scratched my handlebar end cap. Anyways, so yeah, none of that. So this bike comes with tube tires. They haven't really figured out a way to make it tubeless, I guess, with rims, spoke rims. I don't really mind having an alloy. I'm not like a pro off-roader or anything. I just need something that, I've been riding a Pulsar 150cc like wherever possible, and this is like a way better upgrade from that for India. So because of the tube tire, if there is a puncture, it's going to be such a big nightmare, and you'll be stuck in, I don't know, some remote area, maybe in the mountains, maybe in a forest, but they don't talk about how you should be carrying some spare tubes, how to open it, how you can fix it. Maybe carry a spare clutch wire. You're riding 5,000 kilometers, 8,000 kilometers in one stretch, so something can go wrong. And none of that. Now look at what I am going to miss. Nice. Wow. This is amazing. This is the plan. ride the whole country through roads like this. It'll take me forever, 30 km per hour, but I think it'll be wonderful. Ah, that road. That road is what it should take. Let me check Google Maps. Ah, so nice. So nice. That's it. This is where it ends. I think you can go a bit ahead. I think I'll get who needs a road? Ayyo. ചേട്ടാ ചേട്ടാ ബൈക്ക് പോവോ ഇതിലെ കൂടെ? ജസ്റ്റ് പുഴ കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്, വെറുതെ ഒരു കുറച്ച് കാടുമേടൊക്കെ കണ്ടിങ്ങനെ. അവിടെ പുഴയുണ്ടോ? അതെയാ, ആ ഇത് ചെറിയൊരു തോട് പോലെ അല്ലേ സൈഡിൽ കൂടെ? ആ ഓക്കെ, എന്നാ അവിടെ നിന്ന് തിരിക്കാം. This is another good thing about having a Himalayan. So you can basically take it anywhere, not anywhere. It's quite heavy if you need to turn it. Heavy but manageable. For someone like me, 100 kilos, I'm not strong, but this kind of a build comes with some strength, so I can manage the bike quite easy. Ah, it was this one. I so forgot what I was talking about. Just these roads, it's just amazing. That's the river. There you go. So if I have to talk about the bikes I tried, Royal Enfield, I tried Guerrilla. It's, I don't know, it didn't feel like the tank, you could grip on the tank. The tank is like quite flat. I feel like if I brake hard, I'll be sitting on the tank. So you can't really like use your thighs to, grip yourself. So, and the tank is small. I mean, the bike in general is small. It didn't make any sense, that whole bike. 450cc, it's not really a scrambler, can't do off-roading. Yeah, so Himalayan is definitely better. The old Himalayan and police. Old Himalayan and Scram 440, the bike is really small. Same issue I had with Triumph. The bike is really small. So I didn't even ride it. I can't sit on a small bike and ride so long. I don't know. I feel like you need to have a little bit of bike in front, like when you stretch your arms in front, you have a reasonably sized tank, a screen, and I don't know. The other one, it felt like it's like till here. The bike is still here. I feel like that. I don't know. Maybe too exposed. Triumph, I have a soft corner for it, so I almost bought it, but then after riding it, I imagine riding it for 2 months, I'm like, maybe not, but it was very close. It's very comfortable to ride, very nimble, you can control it easy. Then yeah, again the bike was too small. Maybe power wise slightly less, but I could have lived with it. It's not that big of a deal, but the bike, it had to have, I don't know, maybe bigger tank. Maybe like 20-liter tank would have, or like 17-18-liter tank would have made a big difference, and push the bike forward a little bit. Then KTM was very chirpy, with too much vibration. I don't know if it is something that I'm not used to. I need to feel that thump. I like that thump in engines, not other one. It feels like it's a struggle. So that's what I'm talking about. Some torque will help me overtake in need. But yeah. So that sums up today's ride. It was just to talk about the Royal Enfield experience, the whole buying experience, and probably what I'm gonna miss in coming 2 months. So the trip is starting tomorrow. I'm gonna head to the mountains in Kerala, then more mountains in Kerala and more mountains in Karnataka, then to the beach in Goa, then to Ratnagiri, to Rajasthan, to Leh, If it is open, I don't know. Leh could be closed, and then I would like to go to Sikkim. So I was supposed to go take this turn. I came from that side. So talking and riding is definitely too much for my little brain. Yeah. Probably go to Sikkim. If I can enter Nepal, I'll go to Nepal, but unlikely, I don't have that much time. Then there is a school I studied in UP. I want to go to Jaunpur in UP and go to Sikkim, then come back down through Bihar, Orissa, maybe Hyderabad, Bangalore, maybe some place in Chennai. I don't know if I can go to Rameswaram. If I get time, I'll go all the way to Rameswaram. So Rameswaram is one place I have not been to.